Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to demystify the process of cashing a check. Whether you've received a paycheck, a refund, or a gift, knowing how to cash a check is an essential skill. Stay tuned as we walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. First things first, let's talk about the different methods for cashing a check. Visit a bank or credit union. One of the most common ways to cash a check is by visiting a bank or credit union. Simply bring your check and a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to the bank. You can then either deposit the check into your account or cash it directly. Use a mobile banking app. Many banks offer mobile banking apps that allow you to deposit checks remotely. Simply endorse the back of the check. Take a photo of the front and back using your smartphone and submit it through the app. The funds will then be deposited into your account within a few business days. Check cashing services. If you don't have a bank account or prefer not to use one, you can also cash your check at a check cashing service. These services typically charge a fee, which can vary depending on the amount of the check and the provider. Be sure to shop around and compare fees before choosing a service. Retail stores and grocery stores. Some retail stores and grocery stores offer check cashing services for a fee. Simply bring your check and a valid ID to the customer service desk or designated check cashing area. Again, be aware that fees may apply, so it's essential to inquire about the cost beforehand. Prepaid debit cards. If you have a prepaid debit card, you may be able to use it to cash a check. Many prepaid card providers offer mobile check deposit features, allowing you to load funds onto your card quickly and conveniently. Now that you know the various methods for cashing a check, let's review some important tips to ensure a smooth transaction. Endorse the check. Before cashing or depositing a check, be sure to endorse it by signing the back. Your signature verifies that you're the intended recipient of the funds. Bring proper identification. Always bring a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, when cashing a check. This helps verify your identity and ensures a smooth transaction. Verify funds availability. If you're depositing a check into your bank account, be aware that funds may not be available immediately. It's essential to verify the availability policy with your bank to avoid overdraft fees or bounced checks. And there you have it. With these tips and methods, you'll be able to cash a check confidently and efficiently. Remember to choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Have any questions or additional tips? Feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking!